Are you getting this error in Windows 11 command prompt? WMIC is not recognized as an internal or external command? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the exact fix in less than 2 minutes. First, open the Start menu. In the search bar, type System and open it. Now click System again, then scroll down and click Optional Features. You can also search optional features directly from the Start menu. Now click View Features. Here, click See Available Features. In the search bar, type WMIC. You will see WMIC appear in the list. Now check the box next to WMIC and click the Add button. Windows will now install WMIC. This can take around 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient and let it complete. Once the installation is finished, click Close and close the settings window. Now open Command Prompt as administrator. Type WMIC and hit Enter. As you can see, WMIC is working now. Let me show you a quick working command to check your laptop serial number. Type this command and press Enter. And there you go. We have successfully fixed the WMIC is not recognized error in Windows 11. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes and tech tips.